Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to solve the issue of Windows security not working, opening, or even when you open the Windows security, it does crashes. Don't worry, I got you covered on this video. First, we have to check if Windows security is running. To check if our Windows security is running, we have to go to our services and check if it is running there. Now, what we just have to do is that just click on your search button and search for services. So once you search for services, we have that here. So click on it to open. As it opens here, you have to look for Windows Security Service. So you have to scroll down, or on your keyboard just type W to take you to the Windows W column, which is Windows. Now you look for Windows Security Services. Right, so we have that here. We have Windows Security Service here. So as you can see, mine is running. This is the status, is running, but just right click on it and go to its properties. And you can see that mine, the service status is running. So, but if your own is not running, you just have to come here, change this to manual, and then click on the start. And once you start, and then you just click on apply, it will start to run automatically. Next is to look for Security Center. Now scroll to the S column, or on your keyboard once again just type on S, and then it will take you to S column, and then look for Security Center. So we have Security Center here. Right click on it once again, go to its properties, and then once again you can see that it is running. So if yours is not running, you just have to click on start for it to start running. Once it click on start running, you can change this to click on this and change it to automatic or manual, just and then click on the start. Once you click on the start, it will start running, and then you click on apply, and then OK. Once you do this, your Windows security is going to start running, and as you can see, mine is running. Once we have seen that our Windows security is running, and still when you open it, it's still giving you issues, maybe by not opening, or anytime we open it, it does crashes, then we have to reset it. To reset it, just click on your start once again, right click on your start and go to settings, or you just click on the start, and then we have the settings here. Once you come to settings, just click on apps, just click on apps, and the apps we have these listed here. So click on installed apps. Once you click on installed apps, so scroll down, scroll to the button, and then look for system component. So click on system component, and then we have here Windows security. Once they are still loading, once it loads finish, just click on this three dots and click on advanced options. And the advanced options, scroll down, we have this here, reset. So we have repair and then reset. So first thing for you to do is that try to repair it. If it repairs and then your Windows security works perfectly for you, then you are good to go. But if it still doesn't work, you just have to click on this reset just to be able to reset it. Once you have done this and still your Windows security is still not working, one other way is just to check on your Windows update. So once again, just go to your settings, close this. Once again, click on your start button and go to your settings once again. And on your left here, we have Windows Update. So click on Windows Update and then check for update. The reason why we are checking for update is that sometimes Windows do install latest patches to this Windows security. So once you check for updates, definitely whatever update Windows security requires, it's going to check for those updates. So you just click on check for update, and then once you check for it, it's going to search for these updates. If after checking for the update and still your Windows security is still not working, now next is what you have to do is that, so you can close this while this one is still checking for update. You can close this, minimize this. Once again, click on your search button and search for command prompt CMD. Right, once your CMD opens, this is it, command prompt. So what you have to do is that you have to run it as an administrator, then click on yes. Right, once your command prompt opens, we have these three commands which you have to perform on your command prompt. So first, what you just have to do is you have to type all these commands. So because I'm already having it on, so I'll just highlight it and then copy. So highlight it, copy, right click, and then copy it. Go to your command prompt, and then you can see you have that here. So you just have to type it just as it is here. So once you type that here, what you just need to do is that you have to press enter. Once it is done, it is going to give you a successful message that the scan has been completed. Then as you can see, it is already reading. Once it reads finish, it's going to give you 100% complete message. With these 3 commands, you have to run all of them using the command prompt. And just as we have run the first command, and you can see it's going to take a bit of time. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to skip it, and once I skip it, I'm going to copy the next command and then paste it also. After doing the second command, it's also going to take time, so I'm going to skip that one, then use the third command, which is the SFC scan now, and that one too is also going to take time. So I'm going to be skipping all the scanning processes, but in your case, you have to take time. Once you input the first command, you have to wait for it, and then once it finishes and it gives you the successfully message that the scan is done, then you proceed to the next command, which is the second one, which is the restore health. After doing the restore health scan and it also finishes successfully, you now go to the next scan, which is the SFC scan. As the first command works, and just as you can see that it is successfully, now the next is just for us to copy the second command. So highlight it once again, copy it, and then paste it here. Right, but in your case, just as I said, you are just going to type it just as you have seen it. Once you just type that, you just press on enter, and then it is also going to scan just as you have seen the previous one. It is also going to scan the same thing, and once it finishes scanning, it's also going to give you a successfully message that the restore health scan has been completed successfully. So our next command, which is this, so highlight that one too again, copy it, and then we have paste it here. So SFC space / scan now. So once you do that, you click on OK to do the scanning. Right, just as you can see, but this scan is going to take longer as compared to the previous scans that we did. So you just need to wait for it. Once it finished scanning and then it's being successfully done, you just have to restart your PC, and your Windows security issue is going to be fixed, and you are going to have your Windows security working normal. So if this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you on our next one. Peace out.